You made it. An hour ago, terms like DNS, Git, and frameworks may have felt completely foreign. Now you understand exactly how the modern web works and how it's built. As you move forward, watch for 3 common traps. Getting stuck in tutorial hell by only watching instead of building. Copying code without understanding it. And too fatigue from chasing every new trend. Build often, understand deeply, and stay focused. Before you go, make sure you grab your downloadable resources, your roadmap PDF, technology cheat sheet, AI prompt guide, glossary, and Git cheat sheet. Keep them close to you as you keep building. One last step. Head to prepto.com and complete your 10-question knowledge check to lock in what you've learned and confirm you are ready for hands-on project-based courses. You now have the roadmap, the resources, and the understanding to start building. The web is genuinely yours to shape. Go build something great.